To identify where the Indian economy is heading, we have to look past the daily headlines. We are tracking 5 leading indicators of a market that is rapidly refining itself, starting at the foundation: physical infrastructure. Delaware recently reported a 64% plunge in first quarter profit, alongside the resignation of its COO. Net profit fell to 54 crore rupees. This slump follows a shift in market demand and internal restructuring aimed at streamlining operations. While profits dropped, Q1 revenue actually grew by 13%. The company is still expanding its reach, but that scale is requiring a much higher level of operational spending to maintain. The logistics sector is reaching a point where expansion alone is not enough. In this environment, long-term success depends on the kind of operational efficiency that turns high package volumes into reliable profit margins. That focus on tangible value is even more visible in the physical footprint of the country's wealth. Mumbai remains the primary testing ground for the resilience of premium real estate demand. Aditya Birla Real Estate recently acquired a prime plot in South Mumbai, signaling confidence in the high-end market. They paid 159 crore rupees for the site, but this single development is expected to generate 600 crore rupees in revenue. By purchasing the Floor Space Index, or FSI, the company is securing the right to build vertically in one of the world's most space-constrained cities. It's a direct bet on the demand for high-rise luxury. Ultra-premium assets in Tier 1 cities are showing little sensitivity to broader market corrections. They continue to act as a stable, hard asset indicator of where concentrated wealth is being parked. Outside physical assets, corporate networks are locked in a constant arms race. AI-driven cyber attacks are now a standard threat to major digital operations. Demand for specialized AI cybersecurity talent has grown 2.5 times since 2020. Companies are scrambling to hire experts who can defend against these automated probes. Standard IT perimeters are ineffective against counter-AI. Firms must use AI to protect data in real time. This creates a massive talent gap for specific roles like security architects, becoming a major operational bottleneck. Advanced AI defense is now a mandatory multi-million-dollar overhead, a security tax that every major firm must pay simply to stay online in the current economy. As costs rise for businesses, they are rising for platforms as well. Major UPI players are now supporting the implementation of selective charges for merchants using the network. These proposed fees target large retailers, keeping local vendors exempt. But looking at the sheer volume of UPI transactions in this data table, the cost of underlying infrastructure makes a zero-fee model difficult to sustain. Payment companies must balance their need for a sustainable revenue model against the risk of losing large merchants to cheaper alternatives. India's digital public infrastructure is shifting toward a self-sustaining model. The network is now capturing value from the trillions of rupees it processes every month. This maturing economy is also changing how wealth is stored. Post-COVID, more investors are moving capital out of traditional stocks and into the global market for physical alternative assets. Indian collectors are showing increased interest in diverse categories at auction. We see high demand for heritage furniture, jewelry, and vintage timepieces. The sale of a single FP Journet Platinum Tourbillon watch for 3.1 crore rupees highlights current inflation in the luxury market. Collectors are treating these items as high-yield financial vehicles. They are using physical assets as a hedge against inflation, viewing a rare watch or a piece of art with the same scrutiny they would a stock. As wealth concentration in India scales, the definition of a diversified portfolio is expanding. For many, a balanced investment strategy now looks more like a museum collection than a traditional bank ledger. These 5 indicators, logistics normalization, premium urban real estate, mandatory AI security, UPI monetization, and the alternative asset boom, all point to a maturing market. The Indian economy is specializing and monetizing as it scales. In this environment, adaptability is the primary currency. Thanks for watching Trade Express. Stay informed, stay ahead. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily updates on business, finance, AI, and global news.